Okay, so do you ever get asked how to do an exercise? It just comes naturally to me, a lot of them. But to progress, to get from A to B, toe touch, pull-ups, I'm gonna teach you. Here we go. Hey guys, this is Jason with Animus in front of the local gym, Village Fitness, Medford, Oregon. We are here and we're doing some exercises, and recently I got asked how to do a pull-up toe touch. Basically what you do is you do this right here. So, pull-up toe touch. First thing first, if you can't do 10 pull-ups and actually touch your toes just by stretching, then let's start with that. That's the prerequisites in this exercise. The next thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to do a few exercises to build up from A to B. Now these exercises are quite simple, they're not very difficult, but they're gonna challenge you. They're gonna push your comfort zone. And that's the idea, is to push your comfort zone from A to B, from easy to hard, from ooh, not scary to ooh, that's scary.
So being that this is a dynamic move, make sure that you stretch. Going directly into the exercise, letting go and building your confidence in yourself is key here. As you can see, I'm keeping a bend in my arms so that my muscles can take the shock and not my joints. If I come down consistently with all that force, I'm gonna end up hurting myself. Alright, this is a key mover here, the reach. And finally, strength. Muscle ups. Make sure you're using good form, no kipping. And finally, the toe touch.
So there you go. It's not too hard. Just follow the instructions, follow the process, and trust the process. Now, if you like this kind of stuff, you like these tutorials from A to B, a real progression, comment down below, hit the like, subscribe. We're looking forward to hearing from you, and come visit us down here at Village Fitness, and we will help you. We'll talk to you later.